Today, I'll walk you through how to automate data entry with Smart Fill in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to streamline your data entry process so you can save time and reduce errors. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is where our journey begins. Just like opening the front door to a new room, we need to access Google to enter the world of Sheets. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. This is where all your Google apps are housed. Click on that icon. It's like finding the key to a treasure chest filled with tools you can use. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create or manage your spreadsheets. Think of it as stepping into your workshop ready to start building. Now you have the option to create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank spreadsheet option. If you have a project in mind, open the existing sheet you want to work on. This is your canvas where you'll be painting with data. Once your spreadsheet is open, type in the first few entries that you want to automate. Highlight the cells that contain this data. This is like laying down the foundation of a house. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Now fill in the next few cells manually. This step is crucial because it helps Google Sheets understand the pattern you want to automate. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. For the last name, highlight the column where you want Sheets to apply Smart Fill. Google Sheets will automatically recognize the pattern based on your previous entries. It's like having a smart assistant who learns from your actions and helps you complete the task. Next, click on the Fill option from the menu. This is where the magic happens. It's like flipping a switch that activates the automation. Finally, select the option that allows Sheets to automatically fill the cells based on the pattern it has learned. Watch as your data populates seamlessly, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. You've successfully automated data entry with Smart Fill in Google Sheets. This powerful feature can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.